Est-ce que je cherche tout seul? On veille ensemble et je vis mon deuil.
We are having a rough go trying to get to this. Hey, Bruce, stay. We've been driving along this dirt road, got lost, got thrown on different roads. Probably like 25 minutes. And we've just come out to this gate that is locked. And we need to go through here and to the left.
Okay, you guys, we're finally here. Bonjour, Campo.
So this is day one at El Campo. It's raining. We're hanging out with some new friends, exploring alternatives here. Great wonder. And hopefully it rains tonight and it's beautiful tomorrow.
Oh, fun first night, huh? What a fun first night.
Look, buddy, just because you were pulling those cards last night and there was some heavy thunder doesn't mean you're gonna pull them again tonight.
Sorry, bro.
We're gonna stay strict, right back?
He just had his head right here. I have to stay strict because he's wet. I can't let him up. Oh, cut to me in 3 hours.
No chance.
Eamon puts the camera on me when I'm eating. We're just having lunch here at El Campo or Campo. I'm trying to be French when clearly I'm not. Basically, this is an event put on by GoVan, our friend Julian, who we actually filmed with back in May. And it's just a great space for van lifers, people living alternatively, to all come together and hang out for the weekend. So we were thinking we could show you guys around some of these really cool vans, some really unique features that we like about these setups. What do you reckon, bro?
And meet some homies.
Let's go!
Some new friends. This is the dog squad. Hey, buddy. Hi.
Hi, Freedom.
Freedom.
How cute are you? Hello. Hi, baby. I'm really excited to check out. This is Adam and Vanessa. Oh, wow. Our puppies are in love, so just forgive me for a second. Adam and Vanessa's van, this is their first build, but they've also built a second van.
We have 3 separate areas.
In between.
This is the bedroom area, office area, kitchen area.
Ooh.
So very nice for livability. The bed actually like converts up. It's on a hinge in the middle, so this will tilt up and then you have a couch facing in for extra seating. Or if you are in a beautiful spot, you can hinge the other way and sit looking out the back doors.
Just found Matt and Danielle. You guys probably have seen a lot of their videos all over the YouTubes. And finally they're joining Van Life with us, and we're gonna give you a little sneak peek of what they got.
Hello.
Yeah. So what have you been working on?
This is our Ford Transit camper.
Ford Transit, we had planned to work on it for a month. 4 months later, it's almost done, almost done.
Yeah, we'll give you guys a sneak peek. Do you wanna come in?
Yeah, insulated with hemp, cork, and we tried to use as many natural products as possible.
And we wanted something really functional because our last van was really low top and we couldn't stand up to cook or anything. So now we have like a full kitchen with running water, fridge, we've got a toilet in here, and we have overhead storage.
So we're not going to show you guys too much, but there will be a van tour coming soon on their channel.
Check it out.
I love that you said we just stumbled upon Matt and Danielle because they're
We've been
neighbors.
hanging out with them all day.
And we've been hanging out with them since we arrived, so.
Goodbye.
Bye. Are you guys open to sharing your truck?
Oh yeah. We're always open for business.
All right.
Hi, I'm Mac.
And I'm Owen.
And we're bound for nowhere on the internet. This is our super fancy 2008 Toyota Tacoma. And we have built just a little bed platform and 2 full-length drawers that actually contain everything we own. And so yeah, they roll all the way, they're the full length. So this is all of our kitchen stuff, and this one has all of our clothes in it.
And how about that little skateboard bearing trick? Are you gonna give that away, or are you gonna keep that?
So our drawers roll on 48 skateboard bearings. It's super strong, and it took 2 days to make, and $300 and I think it was like $50 to make.
If you guys watch our channel and you're thinking we're like hardcore living in a van, this is a truck, and they're just living it and giving her. So they're the real gangsters here.
I'm here with Bruce, who's crazy, and so we bought a van slash aka Katie. She's gonna show us around her 144 Sprinter real quick.
Her beautiful
It's
144
so
Sprinter.
This is it. It's pretty stationary. I don't have to do much. Both the seats swivel. We've got 2-burner stove, queen size bed, the fridge, lots and lots and lots of room. Drawers are huge. Solar panels on top, huge garage in the back.
Katie, don't forget my favorite part.
And the patch collection.
Voila!
All 50
So
states
sick.
were done in 2017 and collected patches everywhere I went.
With her old boyfriend, so currently searching out for a new boyfriend. Hit her up. I'm matchmaker,
He's matchmaking.
Yeah.
All the time.
I love it. I love it.
Okay, thanks, Katie. Bye-bye. Okay, so this is the first sections of vans.
Bruce is happy.
Oh gosh. There's a lot of dogs. Hello, Appy.
We've made it to Van Village. We're gonna check out some Westies, some Transit, some old vans, some new vans.
Wow. If you guys don't like vans or you're not interested in seeing vans, you probably should have clicked off like 5 minutes ago. Because this video is all about vans. So we just met Sebastian, and Sebastian has a converted Sprinter, and I thought it was super unique because everything is sort of removable, and he uses it for his business.
Nautic rack. So, so you just open the trigger,
yeah,
like that,
yeah,
and put paddleboard. So I can put 4 paddleboard, two there and 2 there.
Sebastian, you can have like a real office meeting here, huh?
Yeah, it is.
$1 million deals right here. Obviously, we're not going to show you every single van here.
Yeah.
But
you should come
even
next
if you,
year and
yeah,
check
even
it
if you
out.
don't have a van or you're interested in this lifestyle, or you just want to meet cool people, you guys should come and camp and like just meet everyone. You just walk around and hang out. It's super awesome.
Yeah, it is really fun. You know how we always say to you guys, like when we're van lifers, when you meet up, like the first thing you do is you tour each other's vans.
Yeah.
This is like that times a bajillion.
Yeah,
Everyone's
you're
just
like
touring each other's
overwhelmed.
vans.
And it's super cool because every time you'll notice 1 or 2 or 3 little things that you know you might not have thought of that could make your life so much easier. Just
Yeah,
the
like
way
that
they put
table.
things. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Amazing.
Totally.
First of all, introduce the roommates.
Oh, the roommates, this is Denzel. It's our 11 years old pug. And the new one, Abigail. She's 1.5 and she's my little girl. This is a 96 Econoline club wagon. And when I bought it, it's a passenger van. So we had the bench everywhere. I stripped it all off and start the conversion. So we have a full double mattress bed. So that was the base of the idea for my girlfriend to be comfortable. If the girlfriend is comfortable, everything is nice.
So I'm here with Kim. She is the lovely maker of my new hat. I know you guys have been checking that out and wondering where the heck I got it. Got it from Kim. Kim lives in this rad colored, what do we call this color? Like greeny,
It's amazing.
olive,
Green.
Westie? I'm
Yeah.
so bad with van names. Westphalia.
Yep.
And she has a motorcycle on the back. So you're one rad chick. She does not want to talk on the camera.
But we have the van for 4 years now.
Cool.
We travel 2 months per year. We go to Mexico this year.
Nice.
Oh, Kim, I think we need a bike.
For sure.
So this is a tiny little Honda 125 and it's only 200 pounds. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kim said.
Oh my god.
Amen.
Let's go. If you just let me drive this.
She can't believe it either.
Super fun hanging out with all these vans, but holy smokes, Beck and I are still, how do you say runny at the nose in French? So we're gonna take a little snooze. Oh, good boy.
She's being good now.
Maybe that's why I'm sick though. Too many kisses.
Let's take a 15-minute snooze and then go have a hot shower.
Everyone's basically partying. We're drinking hot lemon water and moisturizing our noses.
This evening they have a few speakers. They're gonna actually show a couple of our vlogs and we're gonna go up and do a Q&A, so maybe we'll take you behind the scenes of that. But for now, I just wanted to show you how beautiful the sunset golden hour is here. And that's where all the talks and everything are gonna go down. Bruce is just observing like a good boy.
So they just played our video here, and now we're gonna go do a talk. So wish us luck.
You're gonna do great. We believe.
Are we going up? You guys want to say hi to the vlog?
They can't see any of you.
Tu peux pas mentir, il serait peut-être un moment petit peuple de grandir. Je ferme les yeux, en mode oubli, je pète les feux pour les fourmis. Et toi mon gars, est-ce que tu douilles? Et toi ma fille, est-ce que tu douilles? Oui les shit, tu peux pas te tromper. Hey, exotique, tu dis c'est trompé. Hey, elle touche chic à la hook trompée.
Be good, stay. Morning everyone, it's Sunday morning, so the third day of being at El Campo. Best part about having Bruce along with us for this journey is he kind of forces you to get up before anybody else. So I'm just gonna throw the ball around for him this morning, use the washroom, and then wake Eamon up. Good boy. Then I've got Eamon people watching out the back window. And my boy Bruce people watching out the front window, huh? Good morning, sir. Happy day 3.
Good morning, sirs. I don't know if I'm just getting old and super not cool anymore, but music till 3 a.m.
That was crazy.
Come on, Julian.
I have no idea if anything else is going on day 3. It feels like a very quiet morning in Van Village. We're just gonna have tea, clean up the house. The house is like
covered in dog hair.
It's not even the dog hair. What about the sink? I can't even stop looking at the sink, but don't want to look at the sink.
It's not that big of a deal.
This is how bad Bruce wants to go outside. Do you see the drool dangles? And Bruce sees Caden.
Bruce, get him. Get him, Bruce. This is a good way to get them both a little exercise in the morning. Go hands-free. Good morning, beautiful back.
Oh,
our dogs are getting run out. Caden, get out of here. Caden. Making a delicious chai latte for the morning.
I can't wait to go listen to this music and enjoy this chai latte. I'm just taking the last day of El Campo.
Wow, Black Betty in Bethlehem, yeah, Black Betty in Bethlehem, she's from Birmingham. Bethlehem went down in Alabama. Bethlehem, she get that thing. Bethlehem, a bush makes me sing. Bethlehem, wow, Black Betty, Bethlehem, yeah, Black Betty, Bethlehem.
Day 3 is wrapping up. I think we're doing the last van tour of the day. And then apparently everyone's going for breakfast.
Desayuno?
Okay.
Is desayuno breakfast?
In Spanish.
Sí, claro.
Do you guys know where breakfast is?
We got it.
Okay, everyone's following you.
Okay.
Pressure's on.
So we're all sitting around a table discussing how...
He always does that. He'll shoot up and then it's just like... so
You
now.
look great, babe.
Super flattering.
I was trying to say how confused we are at what the situation is. It's not really a restaurant, but it kind of feels like we're at like someone's grandma's house and they pulled out, you know, their finest cutlery, and so we're just waiting.
Make sure she's not like preparing us.
I'm good. Muy caro, but worth it.
Finish off the weekend, group photo. What a weekend we had. Super fun meeting other people living a very similar lifestyle. And I think what was unique is that everyone we spoke to that wasn't going full-time was looking for a way to go full-time.
And that's why we're so excited to be working with Squarespace for this week's video, because if you're a musician, an artist, you're starting a YouTube channel, a blog, Squarespace has award-winning designer templates, which makes it so easy. Honestly, you guys, you can just drag and drop your photos and your website will look really professional within minutes.
You don't need to patch or upgrade anything. Squarespace takes care of all of that behind the scenes.
And they have amazing customer service.
So if you're interested, visit squarespace.com/EamonandBeck. You'll get a free trial and 10% off.
Your first purchase.
your first purchase, 10% off. You guys have heard it before. Squarespace is amazing. We're actually working on a new website for the Eamon and Beck brand. So stay tuned. Stay tuned.
We're really excited. Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video, for working with creatives just like us to make our dreams a reality.
All right, we're gonna leave you with this juicy, juicy, sexy drone shot.
Ooh,
goodbye.
Betty.